Hello, I'm Jason McCabe, Senior Product Manager for the EU and UK for Clenergy International. Today we're at the wonderful Intersolar in Munich. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. We're here with our Ascent flat roof system. The Ascent comes in both 10 degrees and 15 degree elevations, and it's both a south or north facing system, or it can be used in an east-west configuration. The important parts to know is that the parts are multifunctional, and we share similar, the same parts from other systems like the module clamps, but the parts that make up the elevation system are interchangeable fully between south and east-west. Important facts are it comes with a rear deflector for the south and north version, and it also optional side deflectors can be used with the east-west version as well. Depending what the ballast layout is, we also have the ballast can be placed on the actual base rail, or we have a ballast holder which goes underneath the system, so it's out of view. So all in all, it's a very flexible system that can be used in a multitude of different flat roof project situations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you at the next video.